How is it going, you guys? Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today I'm going to show you real quick Craftsman weed trimmer or weed whacker. We're going to show you how to load this string trimmer. It's a little bit different than other trimmer types, and it's supposedly an easy load system. If this information helps you guys out at all, would you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button? It really helps the channel out as we grow. All right, so here, real quick, what you're going to do is on here you can see it says bump, bump, fixed, and then load, and then there's a little dash here. So that, and then there's a little dash on the red knob that will spin. I'm sure you noticed. And what you're gonna do is line that up onto load. It's kind of like in between a position, and then that means it's gonna be ready to load with string. So let me get some string real fast. Now we are using this 0.105 string. It's like almost like a triangle instead of round, and it's really thick. It makes it a little bit harder to load this up, and I think you will get less material in, but it doesn't break as easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shove these straight in. It'll kind of grab inside there. There's like a little channel it'll slip into. Sometimes if you angle these, it might slide in a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and see if we can get these in. You'll like feel it when you get it in. It kind of holds it there in position. As you can see, like those are pretty good. So, and then you're just gonna grab it, spin it clockwise, and now it's pulling it in to the system. So just keep spinning it as much as you can. Like I said, this is some thick wire, so it's a little bit harder. It's just what I have. Keep spinning, keep spinning. And I think that's gonna be full. So ours is a little bit long. This, I don't think it's sharp enough to break through this, so I go ahead and just cut it. If you have snippers, that works, or you can just use your package. Like it'll cut this when it expands out on this material, but when you have like this much length extra, it has a hard time doing it. So that's it, ready to go, back out there. Like I said, if this helped you at all, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. Thank you guys.